Welcome in to the Biker Baker Show. We cook up some cookies, pies, and dough. So stick around till the end. See what kind of recipes we come up with again. Stick around and see what kind of recipes we come up with again.
All right, Mama's Lemon Pound Cake, take one. All right, guys, got a little story first about this pound cake. There is a guy from down here. He's about 30 miles from us in Winchester, Ohio. His name is Afroman. If anybody knows Afroman, hit that like and tell us down below. He's got a big case that just got finished in court. He won his case. They came in and raided, the deputy sheriffs in Adams County came in and raided his home, rammed the door down, tore up his stuff, took some money, and he went to, let's see how it goes. They came in, took all his money and everything, and then the sheriff, they are suing him because he made some songs about them. And one of them was called Mama's Lemon Pound Cake. So if you want to know the story, it's funny. I mean, they've got it online. You can see the court proceedings, everything. He stood up for our rights. He said not just him, for everybody's rights, and he won. So guys, check that out. But Afroman, Mama's Lemon Pound Cake coming at you. Not for the sheriff. Guys, check out them songs. They're pretty funny.
Yeah, he don't get a piece.
They said that there was hundreds of pound cakes being sent to the sheriff's office for that cop because he walked by and there was one on the table and he kept looking at it. You'll see that in the video too. He made music videos to them. Oh, they're so funny. You got to go watch it. All right. So first off, I have, let's do 3 cups of all-purpose flour right here. And in here, I'm going to have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. We're just going to put that all in there. Mix that all up a little bit. And I've got 1 cup of butter here, 2 sticks. We're going to mix that all up until it's creamy. Guys, the weather's been perfect today and yesterday. 60s, high 60s. Not much sun today, but no rain, so that's good. Trees are budding out. It's nice. All right, got our butter all nice and creamy in there. Now we're going to put in 2 cups of sugar to that. We're making dessert, not salad. Don't want to forget this, because I will. All right, and we'll put in 4 eggs. And 4. All right. Bring that off for a minute. And then here I have half a cup of Greek yogurt. You can use sour cream if you want, but we had yogurt too, so I just put that in there. Half a cup of Greek yogurt and a half a cup of full fat milk, whole milk. So put that in there. We're going to put in a half a teaspoon of vanilla or so. You know, you do you.
Boo.
And 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Bam. And what I do is I zest those lemons because we always have lemons sitting around, and before the outside gets too hard, I zest them, put them in the freezer, and then you always have it. You don't have to worry about it. That's what that is. It's just frozen. And now we're going to put in our flour mixture. Some over there. I also have a tablespoon of lemon juice going in. I got my oven preheating to 325 degrees. Okay. That's it for the ingredients, and I will leave those down in the description box. And guys, if you do check out his videos, leave a comment for us so we can read them. I'm just interested in it. It's so funny.
She's obsessed with it.
It's so funny. I mean, he went into the courtroom with a red, white, and blue flag, whole outfit, head to toe, sunglasses, suit, vest, the whole thing. It's just funny. I love it. Somebody standing up for everybody, not just himself. It was for everybody's rights. On my arm. All right. I have my buck pan here, nice and sprayed, oiled up. And now we're just going to pour this in there. Make sure I get her all stirred up good.
I knew you were coming out of baked the butt. That's an old commercial.
Yeah. And I had never heard it. And then he kept saying it one day. I was like, what? You know, because I'm not that old. I'm assuming it's all going to fit in here and not overflow, but because I have some small butt pans. I think I am going to save some just for one little small butt pan.
I was going to say it's probably going to rise up.
Yeah, it will. All right, so I'm going to put this in 325 degree oven for 60 to 70 minutes. Yeah, we won't be able to stand it because the smell, I can already smell that. It'll be like, and then we're going to make a lemon glaze to go on top. So we'll be right back. All right, time to do some icing or glaze. So I have 2 tablespoons of butter going in. I have 1 cup of powdered sugar. Mix those a little bit. Give it a little mixy mix. And then I've got some fresh squeezed lemon juice here. And we're going to put some in there. It calls for 1 cup of powdered sugar, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of butter. But, as you know, sometimes you have to redo that figuring on your icing. Just depends on how much of a glaze you want. And we're going to put all that in there. And you know, that is nothing. We need more icing than that.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, we got to have some more than that.
You're going to have to triple that recipe.
Yeah, because you like that. And to start, though,
That's the best part of it.
I made these little ones. I had a little bitty buck pan. So what I had left in my thing, I made these. So let's just try that. Because, you know, it's lemon and you got to. Mmm. Mmm. That lemon. Mmm. 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 Yeah. Okay. Let me rinse my hands off.
Mama's lemon pound cake.
All right. So, I've got the bundt. It's in a bundt pan, but it's a pound cake. I don't have a pound cake pan. So we got it here. Letting it cool just a second, and then we'll come back and show you if I can get it out. All right, guys, I turned her upside down, so now it does look like a pound cake with just a little hole in the center. And, of course, you know, it's always got to stick a little bit, so I got a little bit of roughness on the bottom anyway, but who cares? You don't have to show them. So,
hey, we're keep it real. We show everything.
Yeah. So I told you that that's what happened. So we're going to cut a little piece here. It's still warm. So put that on there. Look at that. Mmm.
Looks like pound cake.
Yeah. We're going to put some icing on there. And I know you're supposed to drizzle it all over the top and down, but, you know, we do what we want here. So put that on there. Billy, he said, cut it open, put icing all on the inside, and then put the top bag on it. So you know what he's going to do.
That's what I'm going to do with my piece.
And he hadn't had any sweets like this for a long time, so he might get overload today. All right. Mmm. Mmm. You're so right, Afroman. Mama's lemon pound cake is delicious. No wonder that cop wanted a piece. All right, guys, so go and watch some of his videos and then come back and let us know what you think.
And make sure you watch a lot of ours, though.
I was going to say that. And make sure you watch ours and finish and follow and like and comment and share and hype and all the good stuff. Get us out there for everybody to see. So we love you all. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Peace out, guys. Lemon pound cake.
Yummy.
Yum.